Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So we are approaching a Fibonacci level on this, which is very, very, very clearly a 1, 2, 3. But for me, until I see a break of structure, at least on the daily time frame and up, I am definitely only looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the weekly time frame, like I said, we are approaching a structure level. Maybe it will be an area of a pullback. For me, the last structure level to the downside is way down here. So we are approaching a Fibonacci level, but that doesn't really tell me much of anything besides that it may be an area of resistance, which hopefully it is an area of resistance because if it makes another pullback, that's going to be another opportunity for me to go long. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely looks like a wave 1, definitely looks like a wave 2, and a wave 3. If it is a wave 3, then most likely it's not over, which it definitely looks like a wave 3. I actually expect that it may not even really pull back much at this fib level, maybe a little ABC pullback, but really any move that I see to the downside for me is nothing but an opportunity to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, really, I mean, every single time frame is in an uptrend, and I wouldn't even think about going short unless at least the 4 hour or the daily time frame made a break of structure to the downside. Last major structure is way down here, so I mean, for me, unless it does that, I am definitely, definitely only looking for longs. I would expect to see a little bit of resistance up in this area, so if it does, make a nice little pullback, you could possibly try to go short for the wave B, but I personally would wait for the end of three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, unfortunately there's really not a whole lot to say on the yen pairs except for I'm looking for longs. Ever since we had another ABC this week on Tuesday, another perfect three-way pullback, which just continues to make these nice, beautiful three-way pullbacks. That's exactly what I'm looking for, and ever since this end of a correction, it kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3. If anything, it probably needs to make a wave 4, make a wave 5, go up to this fib level, then maybe it'll turn down, then maybe it'll break structure on the 1 hour. If it does break structure on the 1 hour, you could possibly try to look for some sorts, but for me personally, I have zero desire to go short on any yen pair. I would much rather wait patiently for more three-way pullbacks for entries to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. The thing you have to really realize about the yen pairs is when the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour time frames are all in an uptrend, you have no business at all going down to the 1 hour time frame and below and looking for shorts. The trend is your friend, and every single higher time frame is telling you to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.